What's going on, everyone? Tomorrow we have a little bit of a project for us. We're going to be taking this Silverado over here. Well, for today, we're going to be taking it out and getting it washed and detailed. So tomorrow, we can get this thing masked up, and we're going to de-chrome everything. It's all going to be matched in a Snow White Performance series with a glossy dip pearl top coat on top. So we're doing the bumpers, the emblems, the handles, and the front bumper and the grill. So let's go ahead and get this thing going and we'll get it washed. And we are back at the shop. We're gonna let this thing sit overnight for about 24 hours before we come back in and start masking everything up. Anyways, we'll be back tomorrow. Well, it's the next day. We came in, and big shout out to my lovely wife over there for masking up the truck for us. Like I said yesterday, we're going to be doing this in Snow White. So what we're going to be using first is Avalanche Gray for a base. So we already got that over here, mixed up, put it to the gun. Let's get ready and start spraying. Now that we got the Avalanche Gray base down, next step is going to be the white, which is over here, mixed up, ready to go. Now that the white's down, the next thing we gotta do is the gloss, which is the dip pearl top coat. We're gonna get that ready, get it mixed up, sprayed on, and let that dry before we start peeling everything. All right, so we apologize. We had some company come over yesterday and hang out with us while we were working on the truck, so we didn't film the peeling process, but we pretty much got everything done, cleaned off, and it is ready to go. So that is the front bumper, grill, mirror caps, door handles, and rear bumper over here. I think we're going to order some black decal badges and go ahead and do the center in black. And that's pretty much it. Beautiful though, huh?
It's gorgeous. Came out great.
Anyways, it's the end of the day. Truck's gone. Came out beautiful. It was a small job. Figured I'd make a quick video on it. But the small jobs always make a big difference on the look of a vehicle. We'll see y'all next time. Say bye.
Bye.
And thanks for watching. Tell them bye.